How to take notes while listening. Focus on main topic, key ideas, and examples. Write only short words, not sentences. Use symbols or arrows to save time. Practice and delivery tips. Speak for 30 to 35 seconds. Maintain a steady speed and clear tone. Don't memorize the lecture. Use your notes naturally. Practice 1 to 2 lectures daily to improve speed and confidence. Absolutely, there's a lot of interest in what forms those clouds. Why are those clouds there? Why do they stick around? At the center of every cloud drop is a particle. You can't grow a cloud drop without having a particle there for the water to condense on. The key questions that people have not directly addressed until very recently is what actually forms those clouds. And so, the ones that you're looking at over the ocean, it turns out sea salt is a very effective nucleator for forming clouds, so there's a really good chance that those are loaded with sea salt. But as you go inland, you start to have pollution come from all different kinds of sources. And so different sources form clouds more effectively than others. And we're trying to unravel which sources are actually contributing to the clouds. The clouds are incredibly important players in climate change in that they reflect the light back to space, and so they're keeping things much, much cooler than they would be if they weren't there. They also play a huge role in regional weather, so we're actually starting to see shifts where having more pollution input into the clouds is affecting weather patterns, and in particular it's actually reducing the amount of precipitation, so we're starting to see drought in areas with super high levels of air pollution. The lecture was about cloud formation, and the speaker explained it in detail with some examples. The speaker described why are those clouds there, mentioning the center of every cloud drop and the particle for water to condense. It was mentioned that over the ocean, sea salt is an effective nucleator, while going inland pollution affects how clouds form. The lecture highlighted that clouds are important in climate change as they affect weather patterns. The speaker also gave examples about drought in polluted areas to make the idea clearer and easy to understand. Overall, the lecture emphasized the importance of cloud formation and provided useful information to understand it better.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.